my friends, this is Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance. Today we're going to do something we haven't done before. Going to make a mandala with flute art. Let me tell you my colors I'll be using today. Liquitex Titanium White. This was black. That was Oxide Black by Amsterdam. Amsterdam Turquoise Green. Amsterdam Manganese Blue Phthalo. Sorry about that. This is a custom brown, kind of like a warm chocolatey brown. I have Liquitex Cadmium Orange and Liquitex Cadmium Yellow Medium. All right, so let's see. I think these are open. Now we will be using the bottom of a center. It's about center. Okay, well, whoops. All right. I'm not sure exactly how much to put on, but let's try. Now this paint is paint and water only. It's almost 1 part paint to almost 1 part water. Some of the color is a little less, but it's thin. I'm not used to using this thin. Well, not too thin. Okay, I'm carefully going to lift this up. So many bubbles because I just made the paints. Gonna drag that in. Let me pop the bubbles. Woo, so many bubbles. Oh, that's not good. I should have waited before. Let's see if I can press this down and let the paints come in the middle. Let's do that again. There is a lot of paint here still. That's good. Oh, no, can't do that. So my center is not center anymore. Let's see if I can do it over here. Make that be the center. Yeah, you can move the center. How about that? There. All right. Now, I got a lot of, I just mixed the paint. That's why I have so many popping air bubbles. But let's spin this out and see how this is going to look. Let me put some. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Just kind of push the paint up there. I don't want to get it all over. Not used to using just paint and water. Mandala reminds me of flowers, and I love to make flowers. That's why I guess I'm leaning towards trying this out. Okay, we're gonna spin it out. Let me put my bottles to the side here. One last torch here too. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, that goes nice and fast. Oh, that's pretty. Oops. Whoa. There's a lot of paint on there. spilling paint all over. Let me go a little slower. Here on the sides here. Now my white, I used Liquitex, and maybe next time I'll use Amsterdam and see if that makes a difference, because it's just kind of blending more than I would like. Oh, that's pretty though. I need some more white here on the edge, on the side of my canvas. Sides are all done, covered. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna stop there. So this is my first time. I love just the brightness of the color, but I think my orange could be a little lighter, my yellow a little more lemony, and my blue kind of disappeared, my phthalo blue, so I need to pick a different blue. Okay, my friends. Let me touch up the sides a little here and there. Get you down for a close-up. And we'll try this again.